wrong, baby. Nothing
You
wrong.
have money? You have money?
Yeah. Money,
How much money you
baby.
have? How much money you have? How much money you have? You can't send a meal to come pick up some groceries for you tomorrow? Send me your address. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay. You can't send me.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Someone said they can't send one bill. Come pick up some groceries tomorrow.
Where they, baby? Where they?
9 pounds, but I want some grocery. You know, say that you like me, you want to give me some food. So me, I defend me, I beg you before you beg me.
Yeah, some groceries.
And I'm not problem giving you what you want, but you have to give me what you want. I want some grocery.
Some grocery.
Yeah. So me can't send one bill and come pick it up.
Some grocery.
So you saw some parts on the phone.
Where's the one?
Me say me want some grocery tomorrow. Me I make sure I beg you before you start begging.
Yeah, man, baby, I can't get it.
How me I go get it?
Yeah, where they, baby?
But then when
Bumbo clap.
I go get it, how me I go get it?
So where you want?
Some grocery. Are you want to send the money? Some money? You want to send me first?
Yeah, how much money you want?
30 grand was up to 30 grand will work?
30 grand. What me I get for 30 grand?
What you want? What you want?
Yeah, some front.
Some front?
Yeah,
So, alright, let me ask you a question.
yeah.
What you want? What you want with the transaction? Do you want to give me the money first? Or I have to meet up with you?
We can meet up, baby girl. We can meet up.
Sound like you have a plan.
Me not. So where say we go?
So you tell me what time, when we can meet up with you and what time and where?
Where? Yeah, we can meet up. Where you want to go? You want to come to my house?
Yeah, which way you live?
Barbican side.
But that's far, man.
No far, baby girl. Me can pick you up, you know.
Which part? Alpha tree? I mean the Alpha tree?
Yeah, man, half a tree. Nothing wrong.
Where?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
What time?
When you have
You have
been?
to send me a picture where you look like so I know who me I look for.
Oh, see?
Me don't want next thing me go come and next thing man go hold me up with gun and take me away and camera go.
No, baby girl, nothing wrong, man. A public place. We can meet a clock tower.
Clock tower.
Yeah.
So send me a picture of you man, let's see where you look like.
Baby, I hear no man. I hear what's up this.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, you miss me have a woman too, you know, and she don't want a threesome. I go.
Oh, Jesus Christ, sound like I'm more money that.
No, man, baby, anything you charge, what you say? You do
That
both.
sound like, and a whole heap of more money that too.
How much
Because when it
more?
comes to woman, a problem that I have to protect my reputation.
Yeah, nothing there. How I go? How much money?
When I see you, I talk about that. Because I don't know you. I have to see a woman and I have to see if I suppose somebody will make a like.
Yeah, man, the woman I want nice browning. One nice browning, man.
I still have to think because I don't know about that part. I know they talk about you. I don't know about them, your woman part. Let me get to know you first.
Alright. Yeah, you sound like you're a bad girl. Anything you want, baby girl, Patrick Hobbit figure, is it?
Aye, that's so sweet.
Yeah. Alright, baby girl. So me text up on WhatsApp here.
Alright.
And I send me and my woman.
I remember tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright, see?
Yo, man, me get a blood clot licking on me head. Yo, John, you. So when my locks them a pull up. My locks, you know. I don't know when I talk about boho. I'm gonna feel like man a butty man. You, John, you. I bet I call this a woman, you know.